One sister who was working in the CTVS ICU. Mind you, it is CTVS ICU. It is not the same ward where this contact has happened. Okay, it has happened in a different area. And so far, she has not worked in the COVID area. Okay, and we have no history of any contact by this nurse to any COVID patient in our hospital. Okay, that is the data as far as she is concerned. So we have only one healthcare worker from NIGRIMS so far who has come positive, which we think is not connected with this particular incident where a BSF patient was admitted on 4th. At that time of admission, he was actually COVID negative. On 9th, we discovered that he was positive. During the 5 days that he was there in the ward, he has contaminated the ward, and as a result of that, today we have 6 new contacts in that particular ward. This lady, apart from the fact that she works in NIGRIMS, she stays in a locality that's Demsenio. So there is a possibility that she may have picked up from there. I mean, there's no way I can say that she has not picked up from NIGRIMS or she has picked up from outside. I think that remains to be seen as a part of contact tracing, because this is outside the precincts of our hospital. Once the contact tracing is done outside, maybe we may come to some sort of a conclusive answer as to whether she may have picked up from the locality or maybe she's picked up from the hospital. Because if it were to be from the hospital, I'm sure we would have had some patient who would have turned out to be positive. Now, right now, as we speak, we have drawn a list of all the high-risk cases with whom she has come in contact within the CTVS area where she is working. So till those reports actually come in, I'm sorry, I'll be not in a position to say or conclusively say that she has not picked up from NIGRIMS, but the presumptive information that I have so far is probably she has not picked up from NIGRIMS.